to liquid, so we have a change of state, and then it leaves that in what line? That's the small line between the two parts on the split system. We call that what? It leaves as a liquid, so we call it the liquid line. And then we have some sort of metering device here, and there are multiple types of those things. Some are have a constant flow, such as a piston or capillary tube, and then they also have expansion devices that will modulate the flow. Those are usually more efficient ways of doing things, but a little more expensive. And they have both mechanical, which has been around for years. We're starting to see more now that are electronic expansion devices. And so anyway, there's a pressure what here?
Change in pressure.
Which way does it
High to
go?
low.
It drop, it's a pressure drop, isn't it?
Mhm.
So we have a pressure increase up here, pressure drop here. And then we leave that as a liquid, and we enter this coil over here. And what's it called? Evaporator. And as we enter that as a liquid, and because that refrigerant, because that expansion that's taking place there, now the refrigerant's gonna get colder inside that tubing. The tubing will assume the temperature of the refrigerant. And as the warmer air passes across it, it'll absorb the heat into that refrigerant. And if everything goes well, it should do what? Turn to a
Vapor.
back to a vapor and return to our compressor. So that's that cycle is something you have to know. That's really the basics, what they call a basic refrigeration system. We'll be adding a few additional components into that as we go. We'll be talking about electrical components that interact with these things and tell them what to do.